Shubha Chakraborty, Assistant Professor in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science in the Department of Computer Science and Application. I am going to teach you functions in C programming.
First of all, we should know what is function. Function means it is a group of statement or instruction that together perform a task. C programming nothing but a set of function. We know C programming starts with the main function. When we talk about the function, what actually we want to mean? The function contains of four things, that is return type, function name, parameters and the function body. Here we can take an example and explain about the function. Here is an example of a function. And here int is the return type. We know every function should have a return value. The return type indicates the data type that the function is going to return. If we use void as a return type, it returns null value. So we don't need to return anything in our function. In the function, we are using int as a return type. So we have to return integer variable. In this function, we are using abc as the function name. We can use any name as function name except keywords. Int x and int y are the parameters. Parameters are going to receive the value from the calling function and can use that value into the function body. And finally, the function body, where we can write anything in between two second brackets, that is the function body. We can write any condition, we can write any loop, we can write any statement in the function body, and it can compile and give the value to the calling function. Now we are talking about the types of the function. There are two types of the function. One is predefined function, another one is user defined function. Predefined function is also called the library function. Since predefined function or library function is already written in the program library, we can only call them and can use in our program. But before using predefined function or library function in our program, you have to check header file are already added in your program or not. If it is not added, you have to add it first. Now we can think about the example of the predefined or library function. There are some name we can use very often, that is printf, scanf, getch, clr, etc. For user defined function, we have to write the whole function body, including the description and the declaration of the function. Then we can use that function in our program. Now the advantage of the function. We have to think, why should we write a function and going to use this in our program? We have different points to discuss about the advantages of the function. First of all, use of function enhance the readability of a program. Big code is always difficult to read. Breaking the code in smaller function or smaller section can be organized and it can be debugged easily. It can be also understandable and it can be also reliable. If we use function, it can reduce the complexity of the program. We can also say function is reusable. Why? Because the function can be used in different program. If we create header file and store it in our library, then we can use it different time in different program. And last but not the least, the C compiler follow top-down approach. So control flow can be easily managed in the case of function. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Hope this video enhance your knowledge about function. We will meet soon.